Hey everyone, welcome to Jason Explains Things. We have got a completely awesome video for you today. We're going to be comparing my 2021 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road versus
my 2021 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Bison.
We're going to be hitting some trails, doing some camping, off-roading, overlanding today to find out which is best. The 4Runner versus the Colorado, SUV versus truck, Chevy versus Toyota, dark gray versus light gray. To the mountains!
Let's do it.
We're already in the mountains.
So this is test number one. We were walking this earlier and we found this nice, really slippery, dusty, steep incline.
Why don't we just do 4 low first, and if we get stuck, we'll turn lockers on.
Okay, 4 low?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, I'm ready.
Just 4 low, no lockers. So far, so good. Yeah, dude. Woo! Hey, well, that was a success. High five, Marley. Yeah. So we got an awesome crew today. We got Michael, we got Chris, we got Chris's son Connor, and we got my daughter Marley, and we are on Bethel Ridge in the Central Cascades, and we're going about 30 miles on roads like this. So, and we got Sammy.
No, his name's Sandwich.
His name's Sandwich, I'm sorry. So Chris, this is gonna be like one of those like car channel like versus videos where we pretend to hate the other person's truck and how ours is the best.
That shouldn't be too difficult.
Oh.
See, I'm starting already. See what I did there?
I did see that. So Chris, how much does your vehicle, how much did it cost?
MSRP was 50,000. Basically 51,000 on this guy.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna win the first one as far as value, because mine was right around 40.
I'm gonna go after what I go after all the Toyota guys with. What kind of tires did that guy come with from the factory?
Well, these came with some very, very great.
All season, for all of the season tires.
All of the season.
Yeah, they were lame and I only had them for 2 days.
So I have KO2s now, but those were an extra $1,000.
But this guy came with Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax, all the ZR2s, dude, not just the Bison, which is a very off-road worthy tire.
That is true. Even if I got a 4Runner TRD Pro, it would not come as good of tires as yours. I have one rear locker.
But how about I raise you another one? Front and rear lockers on this bad boy.
I got ground clearance of 9.6, approach angle of 33, and a departure angle of 26.
Very nice, very nice. I will give you that. So that is the Achilles heel, almost literally, of the Colorado. I only have 8.9 inches of ground clearance from the factory, and that is due largely in part to the bizarre placement of the rear shocks. My approach angle is 25.3, departure angle is 23.5, and I think I do edge out a little bit in the breakover angle with a 23.5 breakover as well.
I have heard from several people that the views from Bethel Ridge are absolutely amazing, and it is not a disappointment, and I think we found the most beautiful spot for lunch. Okay, scenic lunch almost done with. How about underbody protection?
Oh, sure.
What do you got there?
I have all of it.
Pretty much.
So this guy comes from the factory. All the ZR2s come with the front skid plate and the rock rails.
Yeah, the Bison package, that's an extra $5,000 right above ZR2.
Correct.
And then you get all that.
You get all the protection. You get the steel front and rear bumpers. You get all the extra recovery points. You get the tubes that go into the frame. It's it's basically the tank version of the ZR2. So.
I think you're gonna win again, but not all bad news on the Toyota 4Runner for sure. I mean, first off, I've now added everything and beyond what a TRD Pro would have. So all 4Runners have a basic front skid plate, transfer case, little, like the world's most adorable tiny skid plate, gas tank skid plate, And I've added the super thick aluminum TRD Pro skid plate. And then also I've added some rock rails on mine too. So
And like I mentioned earlier, I did add the rear shock skid plates.
yes,
From Rego Fabrication. So
because that is an issue on all Colorados,
Correct.
right? Yeah. So I think again you win, but it's not cheap to win.
no, it's not cheap to
Sasquatch!
All right, guys, in the Colorado. So this is our second camping trip. What do you think is the
Better vehicle to go camping and off-roading in.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and vote for the Colorado. It's got the off-road prowess for what we're looking for. It's definitely shorter on interior space than yours, but it makes up for it with a 5'2" bed.
I'm gonna go ahead and disagree because you have tons and tons of obviously interior space for comfort. I mean, aren't you comfortable, Marley?
I'm comfortable.
Yeah, so she's comfortable, I'm comfortable.
Also, you know, you have all the room for gear. I mean, I think the reason why you're so comfortable up there, Chris, is because
I'm carrying like half your crap. See nothing wrong with this.
both have a lot of good points and, you know, a couple negative points, like obviously a bed is nice. Your ability to have that really, really cool truck bed tent, that probably sets up just as fast as my my Tepui rooftop tent. So Tepui.
I mean, honestly, yes. At the end of the day, these are very different vehicles, but both extremely capable. And with what we're doing and what we're continuing to do, you can really spec these guys to meet your needs in whatever way you see fit.
Guys, how would you rate this view on a scale of 1 to 10? Give it a solid 8. This is amazing.
Yeah.
This is definitely intimidating. I'm learning new skills as we
It's a little
speak.
more technical than what we've done before, for
Yes,
sure.
yes.
Yeah. Trail's busy today too.
Yeah, FJs, Jeeps,
Xterra.
Xterra.
We saw a sweet old adventure Ford
Yeah,
van.
a Ford Econoline
Yeah.
lifted and super cool. Let's go, guys. These rigs look really familiar.
I'll explain more on that shortly. Typically after a fire like this, trails can be closed.
What?
Do you actually keep the pool in those situations, or
Hey, well, we just made it back to pavement, and I am pretty sure that the most important thing between our two vehicles, which one got the most dirty and dusty? I think it was mine. Cheers!
Cheers!
For waffles!
For waffles and ice cream shakes.
Yes.
Okay, so what vehicle is best?
Well, of course mine is.
Well, of course mine
I'm
is.
pretty sure that's how it works.
Well, you know what? We're gonna leave it up to you. What vehicle do you guys think is best? Because frankly, I think they're both awesome.
Yeah, and if it's not one of these two, let us know which one you think is
Yeah,
best.
yeah, Jeep guys, come on.
Allow for a full-on
Comment.
war in the comment section. It'll be great.
All right, guys, well, we have an entire playlist called Overland DIY of more off-road adventures, you know, doing mods, improvements, even some maintenance on our trucks. So please like, share, and subscribe, and smash those like buttons. Smash it.
Yeah.
Smash!
And until next time, everybody, God bless, and don't forget to do it yourself.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Get it. I'm eating ice cream now.
Get scram.
Yeah.